Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer software testing interview question 121. That is, what are inspections? Let me answer. Inspections are formal reviews. There are different type of reviews like walkthroughs, inspections, code reviews, pair programming, and technical reviews. These are the different type of reviews where inspections fall into formal review category. Okay, inspections are simple words are formal reviews, but what exactly are reviews? What is the purpose of the reviews? The reviews are performed to find mistakes or ambiguities in the documents and code. The code will be reviewed, the documents will be reviewed to see if there are any mistakes or ambiguities, that is confusions in these documents or code. Any mistakes or confusions are there will be checked as part of these reviews. And there are different type of reviews. Inspections are one of the types which fall into the formal review category. When I compare the walkthroughs with the inspections, walkthroughs are informal reviews. Okay, walkthroughs are informal reviews, whereas inspections are formal reviews. Okay, inspections are formal reviews. So what does this word formal mean? Process, guys. Okay, to make this meetings or inspections or these reviews kind of formal, right? A process will be followed. While in walkthroughs, no process is followed. Okay, it's a walkthroughs are very casual meetings with an intention of reviewing some documents or code. But coming to the inspections, there is a process followed. That's why we call them as. That's why we call inspections as formal reviews. So what is that kind of process? So as part of inspection, that is formal reviews, the process will be followed like the meeting will be scheduled. Okay, here they will directly call in walkthroughs, but here a meeting will be scheduled at particular time and place. The meeting will be scheduled, meeting will be organized properly. Email invitations will be sent to the people who need to attend the meeting. And after the meeting is done, a minutes of meeting mail will be sent to all the people who has attended the meeting with all the points that were discussed in the meeting. So such kind of process, formal process is followed in this inspections. That's why we call the inspections as formal reviews. Fine. So in inspections, guys, there are different roles. There are different roles in inspections. While the inspections, that is formal reviews, go on, right? These meetings happen, right? Then we have different roles involved during this meeting as part of the review process. That is, we have the moderator role, author role, inspector role, reader role, and scribe role. Okay, let me explain more about these roles and how the inspection formal review meetings happens with this process. Okay, so as you can see here, guys, here in inspections, as I mentioned, there will be different. Let's say this is a meeting room. So all the people who need to attend the meeting, a meeting has been scheduled at proper time and place, and then right, an invitation, email invitation has been sent to the required people who need to attend the meeting. So let's say there are different people who are attending the meeting. That's okay. The complete, let's say most of the project team is attending the meetings. Let's assume. So in this project team, the different roles will be assigned. Okay, one of the member will be assigned one role. Okay, so the role may be a moderator role. Other role will be like author. The who is the author of the document, like the one the whose document, that is, it may be a document or code which is getting reviewed, right? The owner of that, or the person who is responsible for that particular document, that person is like author. Okay, the creator of the document or whatever it is. For example, BRS document, if you take business analyst is a responsible person. If you take test cases, test lead will be the responsible person, right? If you take any code or something, the developer will be responsible person. So that we call that as author. Okay, one of the role is author here. And other role I told you, right? We have different roles. One of the other role is moderator role. This particular moderator role person, okay, this particular moderator role person has to take care of the meeting. He need to organize. Okay, he or she need to organize the meeting properly. So that is the role of the moderator, starting from scheduling the meeting to the sending the after meeting mail minutes. Moderator is responsible, right? So author is the one who is the owner of that particular document or in charge of that particular document, like business analyst, tester, and developer. Okay, respective to the type of the things that are going to show. And we have the inspector. Other role we have as the inspector, guys. We have other role as inspector role. The main person, okay, inspector is the main person who shoots out a lot of questions and finds out the mistakes in the document. Okay, so that is the what is the inspector. Okay, so the main person who is going to review. Other people are also going to review, but the inspector is the main one who is going to point out. Okay, so like an inspector in real world will chase a case, right? Same here also. The inspector here will find out the mistakes in the documents and all. Okay, that is what is the inspector. Then we have the reader. Another role we have is the reader role. Another role we have is the reader role. Let me explain about the reader role. that is here in this as part of this inspections, as part of this inspections, author is the one who is the owner of the document or responsible person of the document. But coming to the reader, he is the one who is, he or she is the one who is going to present the document. Okay, so the author is the responsible one, but author is not going to present in this meeting. The reader is the one who is going to present in the meetings. Okay, this the document or any code or whatever it is, right? Reader is going to present before everyone and just go through the document and present this particular document before everyone. So that is what is the role of the reader. And finally, we have another role known as scribe role. Okay, we have another role in this known as scribe role. This scribe will keep aside, okay, just sit aside and keep writing what the minutes of meetings and all. Okay, the scribe is the one who just sits aside in the meeting and whatever the discussions happening between this different people in the meeting, right, in this inspection, right, the scribe will make a note. So at a high level, guys, moderator is the one who will organize the meeting. Inspector is the one who is the main person who is going to inspect the document for which the author is the responsible person, and reader is the one who is going to present. Okay. So what the author will do in this case then, while the inspector is finding out the mistakes or clarifying the doubts or whatever it is, asking the doubts or whatever it is, the reader is only presenting. As reader is not going to clarify the doubts or give answers to the inspector or other people in the meeting, but author is the one who is going to give answers and make a note of the different feedback which is received from the inspector and other team members. Okay, so the reader is only, the responsibility of the reader is to only speak. Okay, only just present it or speak before everyone, while the scribe only write. Okay, what's happening during the meeting, the scribe will write, and the author will also make a note of the things. Okay, so while the inspector or other members are giving the feedback as part of this review process, formal review process, author will make a note of the things, and later author can update the things and all. Okay, so these what are the different roles we have. These are the different roles we have in inspections, and it's a very formal process. Along with these meetings, the roles and responsibilities will also be decided, and things will go in a formal way with a process oriented manner. So these what are the inspections, guys. What are the inspections? So hope guys you understood what exactly are inspections from this session. So that's all for this session. The next session I'm going to answer another software testing interview question for you. Till then, see you. Bye bye.